Leo was an adventurous 12-year-old who lived in the quiet town of Maplewood. He loved exploring the woods behind his house, imagining himself as a daring explorer on a quest for hidden treasures. One sunny Saturday morning, Leo packed his backpack with snacks, a flashlight, and his trusty map and set off into the woods. His best friend, Emma, joined him. Emma was cautious but curious, always ready to follow Leo on his wild adventures. Today, we're going to find the secret cave, Leo announced with excitement. He had heard stories about a cave filled with sparkling crystals, hidden deep in the forest. They walked for hours, following the old map that Leo had found in his grandfather's attic. The map was faded, but they could still make out the path leading to the cave. Along the way, they saw tall trees, chirping birds, and colorful flowers. They even spotted a deer grazing in a clearing. As the sun began to set, Leo and Emma reached a hill covered in thick vines. According to the map, the cave was behind the vines. With determination, they started pulling away the vines, revealing a dark entrance. "Are you sure about this?" Emma asked, holding Leo's hand tightly. "Absolutely. Let's see what's inside," Leo replied, turning on his flashlight. They carefully stepped into the cave, the beam of the flashlight dancing on the walls. The cave was cool and damp, and the sound of dripping water echoed around them. Suddenly, the walls began to shimmer. The flashlight revealed hundreds of sparkling crystals embedded in the rock. "Wow, look at that!" Emma gasped, her eyes wide with amazement. "It's just like the stories," Leo exclaimed. They explored the cave, marveling at the beauty of the crystals. In the back of the cave, they found a small chest. Inside were old coins, a journal, and a locket. Leo opened the journal and read aloud. It told the story of an explorer who had discovered the cave many years ago but kept it a secret to protect its beauty. The locket contained a picture of the explorer and his family. "We have to tell everyone about this," Emma said. "Yes, but we should also make sure it's protected," Leo agreed. They decided to leave the treasure in the cave and only tell the town's historian, who could help preserve the cave's beauty. When they returned home, they shared their adventure with the historian, who promised to keep the cave's location a secret while protecting its wonders. Leo and Emma were hailed as heroes in Maplewood, not for discovering treasure, but for their wisdom and kindness in preserving it. And so, the secret cave remained a hidden gem, visited only by those who valued its beauty and history. Leo and Emma continued their adventures, always seeking new discoveries, but the secret cave remained their favorite, a shining reminder of their courage and friendship.